Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 6.8-liter V10 engine, often marketed as the Triton V10, is a robust and long-serving power plant primarily found in Ford's heavy-duty trucks. F-250, F-350, F-450, F-550 Super Duty, commercial vans, E-Series, and motorhomes. Developed as part of Ford's modular engine family, it was designed to offer a gasoline alternative to diesel engines for demanding applications requiring significant towing and hauling capabilities. History and versions. The 6.8-liter V10 was introduced in 1997, evolving from Ford's existing 5.4L V8 modular engine by essentially adding two cylinders. This design choice allowed for efficient production alongside the V8s. Key versions include 2-valve, 2V, per cylinder, 1997 to 2004 and 2005. These early versions were workhorses, producing around 310 horsepower and 425 lb-ft of torque in pickup applications. They continued to be used in some medium-duty van cutaway applications after 2004. 3-valve, 3V, per cylinder, 2005-2019 plus, starting in 2005, a revised 3-valve version was introduced, significantly boosting power output to 362 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque in pickup applications. This version addressed some of the earlier engine's known issues. Propane and CNG versions. The V10 has also been available in factory-converted or upfit-ready versions for alternative fuels like propane and compressed natural gas, CNG, particularly in commercial and school bus applications, e.g., Bluebird Vision. While primarily a commercial and heavy-duty engine, it was also notably offered in the 2000 to 2005 Ford Excursion SUV as an alternative to the 7.3L diesel and 5.4L V8. The 6.8-liter V10 was offered by Ford through the 2019 model year for some applications and is still in limited use today, particularly in chassis cabs and school buses. Review and opinions. The Ford 6.8-liter V10 is generally considered a strong, durable, and capable engine, especially for its intended purpose of heavy-duty work. Advantages: excellent towing and hauling capacity. This is the primary strength of the V10. Its large displacement provides ample torque at lower RPMs, making it well-suited for pulling heavy trailers, RVs, and carrying substantial loads. Reliability and durability. With proper maintenance, many owners report high mileage, 200,000 plus miles, without major issues, highlighting its robust construction. It's often praised as a reliable alternative to some of the more problematic diesel engines of its era. Smoother than a V8. While a V10 configuration can introduce some inherent imbalance challenges, it generally offers a smoother power delivery than a comparably sized V8. Cheaper maintenance than diesel. Compared to the significantly higher maintenance and repair costs of many modern diesel engines, the V10 is considerably more affordable to run. Lower purchase cost. Compared to diesel vehicles equipped with a V10 were typically less expensive up front than their diesel counterparts. Disadvantages: poor fuel economy. This is by far the biggest drawback of the V10. Its thirst for fuel is legendary, especially under load. This is a significant factor in operating costs. Spark plug issues. Early 2V versions, the early 2-valve V10s, pre-2005, are infamous for having a design flaw in the cylinder heads where spark plug threads can strip out, leading to spark plugs ejecting from the head. This can be a costly repair. Ford later revised the head design to address this. Exhaust manifold leaks. Another common issue, particularly as the engine ages, is exhaust manifold leaks due to broken manifold bolts. This can cause a ticking noise, especially when cold. PCV valve hose cracks. The PCV valve hose can become brittle and crack with age and heat, leading to vacuum leaks and engine performance issues. Intake manifold leaks. Especially on earlier plastic intake manifolds, leaks can develop. Common faults and breakdowns. Spark plug ejection and stripped threads, predominantly in 1999 to 2005 2-valve engines. caused by insufficient thread engagement in the aluminum cylinder heads. Can lead to misfires, loud popping sounds, and engine damage if not addressed. Repairs often involve installing thread inserts, e.g., helicoil or timesert, exhaust manifold studs, and leaking. Due to heat cycling and design, the exhaust manifold studs can break, leading to exhaust leaks and ticking sounds. Ignition coil, COP, failures. Like many engines with coil-on plug ignition, individual coil failures can cause misfires. PCV valve hose. Cracks can lead to vacuum leaks. Intake manifold gasket and cracks can cause vacuum leaks or coolant leaks. Camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor can fail, leading to stalling or no-start conditions. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption is a major concern for V10 owners. It's a heavy-duty engine designed for work, not economy. Owners typically report empty and unloaded 8 to 12 miles per gallon U.S. and 19.6 to 29.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Towing and hauling 5 to 9 miles per gallon U.S. and January 26th, 47 liters per 100 kilometers. These figures are highly dependent on vehicle weight, gearing, tire size, and driving style. Some anecdotal reports suggest slightly better highway mileage, e.g., 13 to 15 miles per gallon empty, with careful driving and optimal conditions, but generally, it's a thirsty engine. Timing. The Ford 6.8-liter V10 engine uses a timing chain system, not a timing belt. Like the Nissan VQ35, this is a benefit as the timing chain is designed to last the life of the engine and typically does not require regular replacement like a timing belt. However, components like chain tensioners and guides can wear over very high mileage, potentially leading to rattling noises. Oil type and change interval. Oil type. Ford generally recommends Motorcraft SAE 5W, 20 premium synthetic blend motor oil, or SAE 5W, 30 premium synthetic blend motor oil for the 6.8-liter V10, depending on the specific model year and application. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact recommended viscosity and specification, e.g., WSS, M2C945, A1 for 5W, 20 or the WSS, M2C946, A1 for 5W30. Given the heavy-duty nature of these vehicles, using a high-quality synthetic blend or full synthetic oil is highly advisable. Oil capacity. The 6.8-liter V10 typically holds around 6 to 7 quarts, approximate 5.7 to 6.6 liters, of oil, but this can vary slightly by model year and application, so always check the manual. Change interval. For most Ford vehicles with the 6.8-liter V10, especially newer models, the recommended oil change interval is around 7,500 miles, 12,000 kilometers, or every 6 months, whichever comes first, when using synthetic blend oil under normal driving conditions. However, due to the heavy-duty nature of the vehicles these engines power and common applications involving towing, hauling, or extensive idling, e.g., RVs, commercial vehicles, many owners opt for more frequent oil changes, often every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers, especially if using conventional oil or operating under severe duty conditions. Ford's Intelligent Oil Life Monitor system in newer vehicles will also advise on oil change intervals based on driving conditions. In summary, the Ford 6.8-liter V10 is a powerful, reliable, and durable engine for its intended purpose, but its significant fuel consumption and some well-known maintenance issues, particularly early spark plug design, are key considerations for potential owners. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.